So for today's video, we're gonna go check out the OBS. We're gonna give it a more thorough look and see if we can get the headlights working, brake lights, third brake light. We're not sure what's wrong with them. We didn't really check it last night. Anyways, just real quick, we're gonna choose 2 people from our YouTube channel to subscribe. Just go ahead and leave a comment down in this video. We're gonna send stickers, lanyards. We have some keychains left over from a while ago. I'll send those as well. And then 1 shirt. Make it a quick barbecue Spitfire pit stop at Big Vato's Wheels. What is it? Big Vato Wheel?
Big ass fucking Vato, bro.
I heard the tires are big as fuck right there. You know what I'm saying? But we're picking up some wheels for a customer. We're gonna paint them so they're black Forgiatos. He wants them blue, greenish. Hopefully the tires are off because we usually ask for the tires to be off. The only thing about paint on wheels, it's not the best thing to do. We always recommend powder coating, but you can't always get the same, match as paint. Paint is just a lot more, detailed. The Forgiatos? Yeah, I gotta paint them. Here's the yard. They got everything you guys need. Got the tires. Get some wheels going. You got whatever you fucking want with that. Boy. Hella. What do you guys need? Those tires, wheels. Pick them up. Nice. You got room in there? Go ahead and take them to the shop. What? Get them all cleaned up, painted. Let's get it. It's getting late, but don't discriminate. No, just kidding. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and check out the headlights. That's the first thing we're gonna fix, the headlights and the brake lights and the third brake light. So both tail lights, they don't seem to be working, so we're gonna check. Hopefully it's just the bulbs. If it's something bigger than that, we'll probably check the relays, some fuses after. Let's just hope it's something simple.
I almost did. I almost did.
I got scared. I had to let go. You know, like Elsa, let it go. Let me know if you guys got any recommendations on colors. I already got one in mind, but you know, doesn't hurt to take some options you guys might have. That's the real troqueando cut. Si quema o no quema? Mira. Damn. There goes half my tire.
Why?
I was trying to do a burnout and I got a flat. Valió verga.
That's sick as fuck.
Check it out. The engine's so small, it came with the storage option. Literally. You know, this is where you store all your rage. So in case you get into some road rage, you let it out. Boom. What does that one song go? Keep my something in a jar, bust it out.
Whenever someone's acting hard.
Whenever someone's acting hard.
Yeah.
Bam! Fit another V6 in here. Make it a V12. Huh? Shit. Fucking play with me. This dude here, yeah, it's a 4.3. He's gonna. He has a mechanic YouTube channel. You know, just random shit that he runs into. So it won't be like just strictly one thing. It's gonna be everything he's working on, whatever he's working on. We'll probably end up doing a 5.3 swap. And then we'll go a little bit more. In case people are wondering. I know there's a lot of people searching up how to do a swap. And then other people just not wanting to do it because they just don't know how. So there's gonna be YouTube videos on this dude's YouTube channel from start to beginning. So this channel is just gonna have the quick boom. Show you guys we're doing it and then it's gonna be done. But if you want the in-depth, you know, detailed, make sure you guys go check it out. ther.com. Oh no, huh? Just the Ther Atomico on YouTube. Alright, so Pedro figured out the brake sensor switch was the reason the taillights didn't turn on. Third brake light looks completely burnt, so there's no hope there. Front headlights, we're gonna take the grill on. Not sure what's going on with them, but I need at least some kind of lights in the front so I can drive it home. Recap. So, So, we couldn't figure out why the headlights weren't turning on. They're actually missing a plug. Well, actually, it's not missing a plug. It's the wrong headlights. It takes the other version with the big square. And I either need to convert it or return it back to the original front end, the grill and headlight setup. That would be easier, no? I don't know. The only weird thing, the only thing I think is weird is that when you hit the brake, that passenger light turns on. That's just weird. Guy hella work for sure. Too much work. This is more than I asked for. I bit more than I can chew. But it is what it is, and it ain't what it isn't. Take the dash out. Hopefully I can find one. I'll go junkyard diving when I get some free time.